Dear friends, once again welcome to WordPress tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to make backup for WordPress content and how to restore those backup. Now you may ask me, what is backup? Actually, we make backup because if you make any mistake or if your site get any error, you may lose all the information having on your website. You can restore or you can get back all those information by taking this backup. So without further talking, let's get started. Go to our WordPress dashboard, click on plugins. Now click on add new and search for Updraft. Now click this plugin and install now. After installing, click on activate. Now you can see our plugin has successfully installed and activated. Now click on settings. After coming here, you can take your backup. So click on backup now and select all the option. Now click on backup now. It's taking your backup. Let's scroll down. You can see we got once backup that we requested right now. Now I'll show you how to restore your backup. So before doing that, let's make a mistake. Suppose we want to go to our all pages and by accidentally we have deleted our home page. Now go to our site and go to home. You can see we have lost our slider, our home page. So let's restore our home page. Go to Updraft. Now click the backup and click on restore and mark all those things. Click restore. Then click restore again. Now let's go to our site and click on home. Now you can see we got back everything we had on our website. So it's very hard to come to our WordPress site and take backup every day. So I'll show you how to make or how to set automatically backup so that you don't have to do anything. This software will automatically take backup on the desired date. Let's go to Updraft. Now go to settings. After coming here, click this one and select when you want to take backup. It's best to select weekly. Also in the database backup setting, click on weekly. Now make this 2 to 4 and also here 4. So that means every week this software will take automatic backup and it will remain for 4 weeks. So now select where you want to save your backup. So it's best to use Google Drive. Now click on Google Drive and finally click on Save Changes. After doing this, the software will ask you for permission of Google Drive. Now click on this link. Now select your Google account. Now click on Allow and finally click on Complete Setup. So congratulations, from now on you don't have to do anything. This software will take automatic backup every week. So guys, this is all for today. In my next video, I will come with one more new WordPress tutorial video. So always stay with us. Thank you for watching.